All right, now we're going to go on to the next thing. Now we're going to put our cams in. These cams are stage 3 cams. They are both the same, intake and exhaust. I'm going to clean the lobes of debris. And put some assembly lube in place. Stuff is so thick, so sticky, it's ridiculous. But that's okay. That's what you want. All right. Now this is going to go in keyway facing down. Okay. Now, like I said, I've already taken this, pre-assembled this, cleaned the journals. So, we're just going to put these on, just so the cam doesn't fly out and fall on the ground and snap and break, you know, boy, goodness, what a disaster that would be. Now, if you already have your rockers in there and you're just doing your basic timing on this, okay, then you want to be real careful because you don't want to torque or twist this and damage the cam. And we'll just do the same exact thing to the other side. Let's continue with our timing. So the first thing we want to do, so we want to put in our timing chain tensioners. Okay. Now we're going to put in our timing chain and gears. Now the way that these go in This is an AccuFab chain and Ford gears. Okay. The way these gears go on this side is that on the passenger side, the gears go where they're not, or this part of the gear faces out. On the driver's side, they go this way, where this part of the gear faces out. Okay, so this will go on like this, notch lining up with the notch on the bottom. That'll slide right in there. This timing gear set does not have a keyway marker, so you have to mark this. Okay, so you mark one key link, then you count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another key link. Line them up with the holes or the notches on the gears. Then they slide on. Okay. Now we can pull the pin on our tensioner. And remember to pull the pin on your tensioner. That's for sure. Okay. And your cam gear sprocket goes like that. Add a little bit of AccuFab lube to your cam bolt. And just a little bit to the face. The bolt. Now I'm just going to leave that like that, and we're not going to put anything on here just yet until I get this guy finished. But I'm going to put my cam tensioners, let's see, I'm going to put my chain guides in. Okay. Alright, now he's going to hit that guy. So now I'm going to put in my right side. These are cast iron. They're not plastic. If you're going to build something, definitely build the cast iron one. Do not build you do not use the plastic ones. Plastic ones of these will fail. Guaranteed. Okay. Now notice that this here can go beyond this. So you have to make sure that when you knot this together that you are inside this pin. Okay. Alright, now we'll do the same thing on this side. So I'm going to put this guy on first. Now this guy here, he's got one of the bolts. This is a navigator setup, so one of the bolts goes to the oil pump. And that, you have to make sure you set to 8 pounds. 8 foot-pounds. And again, same thing here. Now these gears, remember, they're facing in. So the large size goes in, flat side faces out. There's a pointer here and here. Same thing with your keys. Okay. All right, so far so good. Okay. Now we get the gear timing chain, primary timing chain out. Okay, on the 5.4, there is 2 links. So on the top gear, there's 2 links. That splits the line. And on the bottom gear, the crank gear, there's 1 link. Okay. So what I'm going to do, because they're black, let me throw some marks on it, just so I can see them. Okay.